So today let's prepare popular Goan prawn curry with okra. So we start off by washing and trimming the ends of the okra and cutting it into 4 pieces depending on the size of it. Next you have to marinate the prawns for around 30 minutes. I've used a jumbo prawns which are shelled, deveined and washed. So the main ingredients in this curry is the Goan curry masala. So to make this, grind together all these ingredients which are listed in the recipe into a thick paste. To make the curry, heat coconut oil in a vessel, add chopped onion and slitted green chilies. Saute till the onions are translucent. After that, add your chopped tomatoes and fry till the tomatoes are mushy. Now add in the prawns and fry them for around 2 minutes. Now add the ground masala paste along with the residual water and mix well. Allow the curry to come to a boil and then add your cut okra pieces and kokum. Mix well and cover the lid and cook for around 10 to 12 minutes. Once the okra is cooked, check for the taste and add enough salt depending on your preference. Serve this delicious prawn curry with rice.